Hey guys, happy Sunday. Today, Sunday, November the 3rd. Today should hopefully be a chill Sunday. I was supposed to be at the gym right now. I would have been doing my workout, but I told my trainer that yeah, it's enough for me today because I just woke up and like I just felt like my head hurts. It still hurts actually right now. I'm talking to you guys, but it still really hurts. My lower back was hurting me, so I was like, I don't want to go to my workout because my trainer doesn't play and she will not be like easy on me. So I was like, I don't want to go to workout, and then I'm struggling to get through the workout. um but today's a really chill day though, other than that, because last night I was so productive yesterday. And I'm like, I don't vlog everything for you guys. Hopefully you guys like the vlog that's dropping tomorrow. I edited it and I uploaded it yesterday. I just have to do like one or two minor things like adding tags, and I have to redo my video chapters because I just put random numbers, but the numbers might not be in sync with the actual video, so I just gotta rework that. But other than that, like, I got my video done. What else did I finish? I actually cleaned my bathroom. So normally Sundays are the days that I clean my bathroom, but I actually cleaned my bathroom last night, so I didn't have to do that this morning. I just took a shower. It was very slow morning for me today because normally I'm like, when I get up, I'm like fast paced, going to the gym, clean my bathroom, doing all the stuff. But today's like pretty chill. So I didn't really have to do anything. Yesterday was another pretty chill day. I went to church, came back, not much to do. Like I said, at night I did some few things and that was it. But today I decided I'm gonna do early voting. I was like, I might as well because I don't want to go on Tuesday on general election day when it's like crowded and long. I don't got time for that. Granted, I work remote on Tuesday, which is good because I don't have to go physically to the building. But because public schools, they use public schools for voting. But I'm like, you know what? I'd rather just do it today, and while it's still quiet, do early voting. I mean, I'm sure there's gonna be a line, but it might not be as chaotic as on Tuesday. So yeah, at some point I will leave to go do early voting, not now, but I'm gonna go with my all my family, all my family members, with mom and my sister, because this is my sister's first year voting, so that's exciting for her. This is my third year voting. I feel like it's only been my third time, but granted, I'm not that old, you know what I mean? But yeah, this is my third year voting. So yeah, we're just gonna all go together. I was like, let's just go on Sunday. It's chill. Get my all early voting done and done. But other than that, I'm about to have breakfast. I'm gonna show you guys that. I just wanna have a chill like day. Maybe I'll show you guys when I go vote. Obviously I'm not gonna show you the ballot and stuff like that, but just to give y'all a little bit of different content. And then also I'm waiting for Amazon package. When I get that, hopefully I get it early. I'm hoping, and not like 10 p.m. like they always say. By 10 p.m. I want it early so that I could use one of the things in my so I can use one of the things. And also I might give you guys a short Amazon haul. I only bought 4 items really, but that's about it. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna actually go take my Mary Ruth vitamins. I will link that for you guys. Actually, well, I always link it, but I'm gonna show you guys a picture because this side of my hair, like my edges were very like non-existent, and I noticed the growth, so I'll insert a picture clip here somewhere. So I'm gonna take that. I'm trying to be consistent. There was a point in time I had to stop because I had to repurchase it. Because I don't buy like 3-4 bottles. The bottles are expensive, so I buy like a minimum amount.
However, we are not doing a good job at creating access to those opportunities. Even those